The common topic that concerns many people is how to protect their identity online. In this video, I'm going to show you one web browser I recommend called Tor Browser. So now let's give you a brief description of what is exactly Tor Browser. Tor Browser is a web browser anonymized your web traffic using the Tor network, making it easy to protect your identity online. You can download Tor Browser on Linux, Mac, Windows operating system, and also mobile operating systems such as Android and iOS operating system for iPhone. In this video, I'm gonna install Tor Browser on a Kali Linux operating system using the terminal. So first thing you should have is Kali Linux operating system. If you don't have Kali Linux, you can go to the link showing at the top of the screen or in the description below to install it in a virtual machine. Now, this is a Kali Linux desktop. To start installing, you go to the terminal. So you have two choices: to click on the terminal at the top of the screen or click on settings and click on terminal. Oops. After opening the terminal, start typing sudo apt install yflag torbrowser-launcher and click enter. Fill up the password, and now we will wait some time till the download is finished. After the download is successfully finished, we type Tor Browser Launcher to launch our Tor browser. Let's type it. And we click enter. We're gonna wait some time till this finish. After this window appear, we click on connect to connect the Tor browser to the Tor network. So we click on connect. And we wait some time till it's finished. As you see, Tor browser is downloaded and ready for business. So you can now protect your identity online. You can read more about Tor browser just right here. But now, let's show you briefly how Tor browser is 99% safe. Let's say we want to open google.com in a Tor browser. Type in google.com and click enter. After it's successfully loaded, click on the secure button just right up here. You can see Tor browser goes through 3 IP addresses before opening google.com. That's how it's safe. So this is all for this video. Hope you like it. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next week for a new video. Bye for now.